our package just arrived, and this is one of the biggest box that I had ordered on Nike.com. So let's go. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. And Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today's is unboxing day on what we did on order like a couple days ago. So they're fast, so let's move on and take this out of the box. Let's go.
Alright.
So here you go. I'll just take them out of the box because it's kind of hard to open it up with just one hand, and the other one is holding this camera. And as you can see, I told you that I had two same on this one. We got the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air, and we got size 10 on those. And that one is size 9.5, and the retail on this one is 175. So 175 plus tax. And let's take them out. Boom. Wow. Ooh. Looks clean, huh? Wow. Wow, what you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Hey, looks like this one is patent leather, as you can see right there. And this somewhere here on the toe box guard, and it is all the way right here on top of the lace. It's white patent leather, and this one is just the basic toe box on top, and you got some kind of transparent plastic and the Zoom Air. Wow, another transparent here and the swoosh. It's kind of simple, but oh, check this out. The Air Jordan logo here and wings and some and lettering Zoom right there. This one is kind of transparent also on the back. Wow, looks simple, and it's really clean, like wow. But check this out. Boom. Wow, I see bottom. That one is really cool. And it comes with a red lace. I think this one is much better if it has that one, the red lace right there. So what do you think? Please leave the thumbs up. Alright, and this one is just the same. Wow. Wow. It's kind of tempt me now. I mean, like, I'm size 10.5, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna take this one. But well, I already had a lot of Air Jordan, but I don't know. This might be a keeper though. It might be a keeper. So what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Well, all for resale though. Okay, next one. So if you've seen my other videos, I already show the best deals that you can find on Nike.com a couple days ago, and they already got here. So the only size that I can get is size 11. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I ordered 4 on the first transaction, and then the other one on this one is supposed to have 2, but they canceled the other one. So I don't know what happened. Probably it gone sold out after they process it. So, but anyway, I still got a few ones. If you'd seen the video, you see that the price is way below outlet price, and as soon as seen them, I order what I can, and let's do it. There you go. So we got the Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, the Fiba colorway. And if you've seen one of the videos that had a couple of weeks ago also, or maybe months ago, I've been buying some of this because they were also selling good, and the price is $139.99 on the outlet plus additional 20%. Maybe it came down to 110, 111. Other than that, that's the only price they gone low. But Nike.com, I don't know, it's my first time that they did this one, that they dropped the price all more than the outlet price. Check that out. You can see right there. Well, what do you think? Please leave a thumbs up. Okay. So most of them are just the same, as you can see there. Boom. Okay. Wow. So I hope you you follow my Instagram. So usually when I see a good deal, I just post it on the Instagram because it's kind of hard to make a video that quick. But anyway, so I did really good on this one. So actually, I had a multiple account on the Nike.com, so I can buy one of those. And actually, they released this one during the SB Dunk with the orange and blue. So this one didn't sold out that quick because I believe they went on the SB Dunk. I did went on the SB Dunk also, but I take an else. So after that, I just purchased this one. But anyway, even though this one is not reselling that really high, I'll probably maybe 20-30% ROI. I'll take it. If not, then I might gonna keep that one, and maybe I'll return the size 9. I don't know. It depends, because that size 9, it is also good sizes for kids or youth. So probably I'm just gonna wait out because that one is really nice. Looks like, if you've seen the Dior, it looks like the Dior except for this one. What do you think? It's better than Dior? No, but it looks like kinda, because the Dior is almost just plain white or something ish, but this one, it comes with a patent leather and something like that, and just a simple zoom right here, and that's it. But it looks clean though, not bad for that color. I would rock them on summer though. Anyway, so how about this Fiba? Pick them up for the very low price on Nike.com. It's my first time to grab a very low price of Jordan Retro on the Nike.com. So if you've seen my post on Instagram, you're lucky if you grab them. So what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up on this unboxing haul on the Nike.com? Thumbs up, please. Okay. All right, and I guess that would be all on today's video. I hope you like it, and please leave us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.